So, welcome back. We're going to be making a squishy video, and my helper's here. Mia's here, my friend. Yeah, and we just woke up and we're going on a trip. So, today we're going to be making this crunchy squishy. It's fun. This crunchy squishy, and I've not been making squishy videos because we've been really busy. And I'm just saying that because it's like I don't want to do it because I like making squishies. It's fun, but yeah. Oh goodness, that's a lot. Okay. But yeah, so let's get started. Oh yeah, so first we're gonna be making a crunchy slime, and should we make an animal for it? Yeah. We can make a watermelon. Like it will be like a watermelon, and when you bite into it, it's like crunchy like the watermelon. Is that nice? I think we should do that. So satisfying. I love this slime. And I just played with it for myself. I'm gonna play with this slime for a bit. So, we're gonna stop playing with it because now there's beads all over my table. Wait, it's satisfying to pick up. Okay, so first we're gonna take the plastic wrap. And can you grab me scissors, please? Okay, so that much should be good. Thank you. We're gonna cut it first this time. Can you put the plastic wrap back, please? We'll need that in a bit. So for the watermelon, you're gonna need red, green, and black. There's beads in my tape. Oh, it fell out. Anyways, so it's gonna be a mini watermelon, and I'm excited because, like, when you bite, a bead just flung. Did you guys see that? Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Going to draw. I hate that. That's terrible. Let me just redraw it, and I'll draw over it. That's better, right? So we're just gonna color our mistakes on, yeah. We'll be back when she's done. Okay, we're done. So now we're gonna draw the vine. We usually draw the white part. Is there any white? Yes, there's white. Grab white for the... there's white. You're literally mixing it around. So there was... So she took hold of the white, and then she went like this towards the white. Okay. Okay, you're gonna draw the white part. You know the white part of the line? Like that. It looks 4th of July. And then you're gonna take the green. Sometimes I don't like when the white just like goes away. And I'm gonna touch it. Okay, Okay, beautiful. And now we're going to take this slime. Oh my goodness, I know. It's not, it's big for the slime, but we're gonna shape the slime into what we want. Can I put a bead in the middle there? We're not, I know the slime's really tiny, but I have an idea. That will fit. Okay, so we're just gonna go like that with your slime.
Make it like blue too.
Just that. Wait, do a little dot and see how it looks with a little piece. And then mix it in. Okay. Really pointy. Okay, so shape it like that. And there are beads all over me. Okay. Like that. And you guys are gonna wrap it nice. Okay. Ooh, that's really cute, guys. The mini baby watermelon. Wait, don't squish it yet. I tell the camera that a lot. Don't squish it yet. Take it, please. Okay. So here's the watermelon. It's so cute. Let's give it a squish. It's nice. I like it. It's not pretty, but it's nice. But I think people will tell it's a watermelon, right?
Mm-hmm.
It could be a Christmas candy corn.
Do you want me to put this right here in like the trash section? That's really nice, Maya. I love it.
Definitely.
Why'd you take out black? You forgot the seeds.
Oh yeah, let's do the seed. Do you think it looks prettier without the seeds?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I didn't take out the black, you didn't. Once we play with it for a while, the pinks will fade away. And this. Wait. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye, besties.